Hello, my name is Eden Larego, and I believe the most impactful scientific finding within the last 5 years is the gut-brain axis. So, what exactly is the gut-brain axis? Well, the gut and the brain communicate through a cranial nerve called the vagus nerve, which acts as a two-way communication pathway, or in other words, an axis. This suggests that the microorganisms that exist in our gut can influence mood, behavior, and cognition. Why do we care about this discovery? The gut brain axis is important because it helps us to understand the connection between mental and physical health. This is why we feel stomach aches right before a huge exam or when we feel satiated after an appetizing meal. Using this connection, scientists can target the gut to treat brain related health issues or vice versa, and use brain and neurological treatments to target gut issues. How can this transform our understanding of the natural world? Well, another way to think about this is sort of similar to a pair of eyeglasses. Eyeglasses typically have lenses of two different prescriptions, similar to how the gut and the brain have different responsibilities in maintaining homeostasis. However, the two lenses must work together to ensure that eyesight may be improved, just like how the gut and the brain work in a joint effort through the gut brain axis to maintain overall health. In short, this discovery links the central nervous system and the gastrointestinal tract. In the past, biologists have treated organ systems as mostly separate entities. However, the gut brain axis has shown that these two systems are actually deeply interconnected. This new understanding allows us to approach medical treatments from a different perspective. For example, we can now use modifications to our diet and other probiotics to treat anxiety and other neurological disorders. This discovery also connects different branches of sciences: biology, brain chemistry, nutrition, psychology, and medicine. Moving forward, scientists and experts can find cures from fields that have never been considered before. This forces us to think, as scientists, how can we use this knowledge to approach degenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's? Does this gut brain axis hold the key to a cure? I chose to talk about the gut brain axis because of the importance of neuroscience towards our understanding of human anatomy. If we can single out the central nervous system and find ways to treat other related organs, we can make scientific breakthroughs in patient treatments and even prevent the development of other life threatening diseases. I hope you learned something new today and why the discovery of the gut brain axis is so crucial to the modern world. Thank you for listening.